whipped cream. Okay, just get them ready to go. You got your vanilla, your sugar powdered, and your milk, your cream. So we don't add the sugar until we get soft peaks. Now soft peaks is between the soft peaks and the hard peaks. It's almost there, but it's not almost there. It's about halfway. So let's stop it here, and we'll see it's getting thicker. It takes a lot of elbow grease, but eventually you'll get there. All right, keep whipping it. Almost there. We're at soft peaks about now. Just about. So at this point, I think we're going to add the powdered sugar because it also helps to thicken. Remember, you add the vanilla in the beginning. Do not add the vanilla at this stage because it will thin out your work and give you more stuff to do. So we're almost there. I think we're about at that hard peak or stiff peak. But you don't want to overmix it. Now you see how it's standing up straight by itself, like a mountain? That's what we're looking for. Okay, you don't want to over whip it because you're gonna get butter. The milk solids will separate. But that's another lesson, which is actually a fun lesson, but you definitely need an electric mixer for that one. You don't want to churn butter by hand with a whisk. It takes forever. So a little quality control here. Get a nice strawberry for tomorrow's lesson. Let's give that guy a taste. And once you use this kind of whipped cream, you'll never use the canned stuff again. Oh, it's dope. Oh, yes, it's very good. So you know when whipped cream is ready. If you look at it, see? You also got to do one of these things. See? And if it doesn't fall on your head, it means it's ready.